Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell, here to show you the Shots of Life kit for July and August. So our Shots of Life kit is geared towards the pocket page scrapbooking, but it's great for traditional 12 by 12, your traveler's notebooks, smaller mini albums. It's perfect for just about anything, even making cards. So it's very versatile. It comes out every other month and it coordinates with our flavors of the month. So it's a great pattern paper and embellishment add-on to that kit as well. Or if you're primarily getting the Shots of Life, you might want to look at the add-ons or the flavors of the month to have this kit go even further. So we're going to dig in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to get in this Shots of Life kit. First off, we're going to look at the pattern paper and the 3x4 cards. In your Shots of Life kit, sometimes you get all 12 by 12 sheets of cut aparts, and they normally always have full 12 by 12 patterns on the back. That's why I say this is perfect even for traditional 12 by 12 scrapbooking or 8.5 by 11. Sometimes we also get actual Project Life cards, and this month is one of those where we're going to get some from Pretty Little Studio. So I'm going to save those for last to share. But first off, these are the collections that we have pattern paper for, and you can see that it covers just a little bit of everything. We have 4th of July, we have travel, friendship, crafting, which I love, and then just, all around memory keeping collections. So this is Echo Park's Let Create collection, and I love this. I love the colors in it. We've had some other creative collections. They've been the brighter colors and stuff. This one's wood tones and more muted colors. It's just gorgeous. Lots of quotes on the 3x4 cards. Life is too short to not scrapbook everything. My problem isn't that I buy too many craft supplies. My problem is that I shop faster than I create. That is definitely me. The back is a cross-stitch print in all of the different colors. This is the 3x4 journaling cards. And then from Paige Evans' Splendid collection, we have paper number 24. This one has some 3x4s and then smaller sizes. This one's more square, rectangle, and then we have some larger ones. So this is a lot of fun. You can cut those apart smaller. That's why I say this is perfect even for traveler's notebooks, mini albums, cards, things like that, because you get lots of different sizes. Beautiful bright colors that Paige Evans is known for. Perfect for everyday memory keeping. The back is this bright two-toned green print. The branding strip has just different patterns up here, so that's a lot of fun. Simple Stories Let's Go collection. This is the 3x4 Elements paper. I love the hotel keychain that's in this collection. We have some maps, suitcases, taking all of the photos, geotags and the cards, and then flight. So this is perfect for all kinds of travel. The back is this gorgeous plaid. Love that. Then from Doodlebug Design, we have My Happy Place. This has some squares. This is like 4x6 on both of these. They could be left together or cut apart. Again, these are perfect little sentiments for cards, but also for layouts. Sending loads of love, just super cute. Striped in all of the different colors. This is Jen Hatfield's Live and Let Grow. This paper is called Fresh Start, and it's a 3x4 cut apart as well. Lots of icon. Love the notebook paper and the pencil with the to-do list on it. Super pretty. The back is a typewriter text that says hello over and over. Full branding strip, that gorgeous periwinkle blue with butterflies. That collection also matches really well with Maggie Holmes' Round Trip. So this is another travel collection, but it's typical Maggie Holmes, so it has lots of flowers and just generic type icons. Wherever we go, let's go together. Remember, with this map print, I love the labels. You can keep those together and just do your journaling or cut them apart and tuck them in. Some little tickets. The back is a beautiful leaf print in the black and white. And then our 4th of July collections from Simple Stories, America the Beautiful. This is the Elements 1 paper. So we have some 4x6 and then 3x4s. And I love that some of them are horizontal and some are vertical. The back is that gorgeous floral print. I'm in love with that. So that is the full 12x12 sheets that you can cut apart or use in the full 12x12. Now from the Pretty Little Studio Wildflower collection, you're going to get 10 of the journaling cards or 3x4 cards, pocket cards, whatever you want to call them. So this one, these will vary, but this is what I received. So I have one that says Joy, this one that has a print and zigzag stitching. I love this one that's looks like a library card, but it's got the city, the weather, the date, the days of the week, a place for notes. You can never have too much happy. Another one that's great for journaling with the notebook paper, but you get this lovely design in the back. A grid, you could use that to put a little photo on or journal as well. Bloom where you're planted. This one's another one that I think is adorable. It has the notebook paper in the cloud print and then raindrops. This adorable little bunny, rainbow, and the bunny again. So again, those journaling cards will vary, but that's what I received in mine. For the embellishments, you're going to get a wide variety, and don't forget, all of these collections, most of them can kind of go together, mix and match your embellishments and your papers as well. So for the Echo Park Let's Create collection, you're going to get a half a pack of the frame and tags ephemera pieces. So these will vary, but this is the ones that I got. For the Paige Evans collection, you're going to get one of the 6x12 sticker sheets. So these will vary as well. You'll get this one or the other half of this. So I love all of the stickers. I love this gold doily banner up here, collecting memories, the typewriter. If you don't want the love note in there, just put something over the top of it. You could put another flower or a little word label, something like that. Super cute. Sewing machine. See, so you have crafty type icons that can go with your Echo Park collection as well. For the Pretty Little Studio Wildflower collection, you're going to get these punch out borders. So they're super cute, from the navy to the purple to the aqua. It's just gorgeous. And they punch out really, really easy. You're also going to get some half a pack of Enamel Dots from the Simple Stories Let's Go collection. So you can see these match very well with this Echo Park as well. And you could also pull them into the other collections. This aqua and gray would look beautiful with this. For the Jen Hatfield Live and Let Grow, you're going to get half a sheet of the stickers here. So again, these will vary, but this is the one I got. A little girl riding a bike, some fish, a canoe, a little backpack of flowers and the camera. Let's see where I can put this. I was trying to keep it all in shot here. From the Doodlebug collection, you're going to get a sticker sheet for it as well. And this one's going to vary, but this is the one I got. So I have a house and icons for everything you can find in your house, laundry, the ice box, the bus. Super cute. So lots of choices there. For the Maggie Holmes collection, you're going to get a sticker sheet for it from the sticker book. So again, these will vary, but this is what I got. The one that's on the clear stickers. I have strawberry, some arrows, some geotags, butterflies, suitcases, cameras. And then you're also going to get a half a pack of Enamel Dots from Echo Park. So again, these will match lots of different collections, the different ones. It'll go with your doodle bag and your Paige Evans, all of those. So you've got all kinds of choices, from bigger icons in your ephemera pieces and your stickers down to the little bitty sprinkles. So that is the July-August Shots of Life kit. Be sure to check out that Flavors of the Month and the add-ons for more product that will coordinate with this kit, as well as all the other kits we have available in the store and individual items. You can have it all shipped together to save money. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids. For Maggie Holmes, you're also going to receive a roll of washi tape, and so these will vary as well. But I got the wide strip with the floral on the pink, so that is super pretty. So that is a look at your July-August Shots of Life kit. Be sure to check out that Flavors of the Month and the 3 add-ons for more product that will coordinate with this kit, as well as all the other items in the store that you can have added on and save on your shipping. Join in on all of the challenges. We have so much fun over on the Facebook group and the blog. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.